Ever wondered how you could save time and avoid manual data lookups in Excel? In this video, we'll show you how to use Excel's VLOOKUP function to automatically pull values from another table, saving you time and effort. On our sheet, we have a list of product IDs, names, and total sales. Off to the right, there's a smaller table that maps each product ID to its category. Instead of manually cross-checking IDs, we can use VLOOKUP to pull the category for each product into our main table. To use the VLOOKUP formula, click into the cell where you want your result to populate. Then type =VLOOKUP open parenthesis. As you type the formula, Excel will ask you for inputs. First is the lookup value, which is the information Excel will use to search with. In this example, it's the product ID, since it appears in both tables and is a unique label for each input entry. Next is the table array. This tells Excel where to look for the information. We're going to highlight the range of cells that includes both the product IDs and their categories we're looking up. Note, we're going to add $signs to make this input an absolute value. This will ensure that Excel uses these exact cells for the formula for each row. Next is the column index number. This tells Excel which column to pull the data from. Since the product ID is in the first column and the category is in the second, we enter 2 to get the category. Last is the range lookup. This is where we specify if we want an exact match or an approximation. Since we want an exact match, we're going to type false. If we wanted an approximate match, we would type true. Now we type a close parenthesis and hit enter. Excel will instantly run the formula and return the result. In this case, the product category. To apply the formula to the rest of the rows, just click and drag the fill handle. Excel will automatically update the formula for each row. And that's it. With just one formula, we've matched product categories to all our sales data. No manual searching or copy-pasting required. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Tech Tip Tuesday videos.